Assalamu alaikum. I am Khan Muhammad Sumro. Here the function is the under root x exponential under root x with we have to integration this function by the x. Here a very easy method solution. So function is for integration under root x e under root x integrate symbol. We have to integrate with respect to x, therefore here we use dx. In this video I will tell you about the integration of such function in very easy method. Here is the two function. One function is the under root x and second one is the under root x. So I am taking under root x equal to t. Let's suppose under root x equal to t. Here we square the both side. Square the both sides. Under root x bracket over square t square. As you know very well that under root and square, these two things are opposite. Here under root x and square will be vanished. So x is equal to t square. X is equal to t square. Now derivate such as dx upon dt equal to 2t. Here we derivative only first. So dx 2t. Here dt is the denominator condition. We interchange its place such as here the condition of the dt is a division condition and we interchange its place such as that one dx is equal to dt 2t dt. Mean to say that dx is equal to 2t dt. Here we put the value of this one in this function. So integration symbol under root x equal to t e. Here under root x is again, so we take it such as the form of t and dx is equal to 2t dt. 2t dt. So it will be such as 2 is here we give a multiplication. 2 is the constant number, we take it such as common, so it will be here is the t and that one is also t, we multiply both, it will be t square such as here exponential function t dt. That one is the condition is very easy to integrate. How? I tell you in this video very fast and amazing method to integration such function. How? Here is the two function. One is the t square and second one is the et. Here we take it u equal to, suppose u we take as t square and v equal to, we take it such as in the exponential form et square. So you have to derivative tends to 0. How? We first derivative t square, it will be 2t, and again we derivative this function to, when a function you take as a u and derivative so on tends to 0. Here 2 and again we derivative 2, it will be what? 0. So here is the not necessary condition for further that step. This one is the derivative condition and that one is the integration condition. If we integrate that one et, so it will be again et, and again we integrate it, et will be same, and again we integrate it, it will be et. So how many times it will be integrate that function? So that there is condition for that one. How? We graph the first function of derivative with first integration. We cross it. That one is the integration condition and that one is a standard function which we have to take out from that one, and that one is a first integration condition. We cross with a derivative function, that is the not a in derivative condition, it is the first condition of function. There was a 2t square and that one is a t square in the same condition. So we cross it, that one with that, and now 2t with et, and again 2 will be with et. So if we move further one step, that if we derivative 2, it will be 0. If we integrate that function, it will be what? Et, and we multiply 0 with et, so what will be the next step? 0. Therefore we not derivative tends to 0. That rule must be necessary for shortcut that function. That method is necessary, and that method is an amazing way to integration with a short way. Here we put the sign in initial condition plus, and second one is the minus, and that one is the plus. So on rule we keep on. So further I raise it, I use here mod. So that one we cross, we have to multiply that one two function, that function and first integrative function, we multiply both, and here is the 2, so we keep here 2. So result of that one is this whole condition, t square multiply by et, t square multiply et, that both function have to multiply to each other, and that one if we multiply that two function, it will be 2 minus 2t et. If we multiply that function is multiplied with minus, and that one is the positive and that one the negative function, therefore we multiply to each other, and that will be result will be of both two function minus 2t et. So a second one, last one is the, if we multiply that and that function sign is a plus, that one also positive function. So multiply, it will be 2et. So integration of that function is 2t square et minus 2t et plus 2et and constant plus c. That one is a very easy and short method. Here t, what is the value of t? T is equal to under root x, we put here t whole bracket square e t value is under root x minus 2 t value is under root x e t value is under root x. Where is a t? We have to put out value of t under root x plus 2e under root x bracket over plus c. I erase it. Here I have no board, therefore I erase 2 under root and square will be vanished. So condition will be x e under root x minus 2 under root x e under root x plus 2 e under root x bracket over plus c. Here is the common condition is e under root x, here is also, here is also, and that one is the also we common e under root x, e under root x. So what will be the next? X minus, we take it a common here, so remaining condition is the 2 under root x plus here will be 2 because e under root x is a condition of common plus c. So that one is the answer. Allah Hafiz.